In this video, we are going to talk about IUX Markets and what they have to offer. We are going to go through the trading account, we are going to talk a little bit about the demo account, and we are going to look at the platforms IUX has to offer. So let's get straight to the video. So let's go to platforms. When we go to platforms, you can see IUX has their own trading app, web terminal, and MT5. Here is IUX own trading app. So this is a mobile app where you can place your trades with the stats speaking for themselves. 30 milliseconds execution speed, over 120 trading instruments, 24/7 customer support, and 128-bit SSL encryption, all in one trading app where we have multiple time frame analysis to create your own auto trading strategies and track your portfolio in real time. So what makes the IU app different? We have fast executions, one-click trading, advanced risk management, and secure and protected. So here you can download the IUX trading app. It's available on the App Store and on Google Play. IUX trading account for every type of trader. So let's look at the account. Standard account, minimum deposit $10, minimum withdrawal $5, spreads from 0.2 pips, commissions $0 per lot, maximum leverage 1 to 3,000. The Pro account, minimum deposit $500, minimum withdrawal $5, spreads from 0.1 pips, commissions $0 per lot, maximum leverage 1 to 3,000. And we have the Raw account, minimum deposit $500, minimum withdrawal $5, spreads from zero point 0.0 pips, commissions $7 per lot, and maximum leverage 1 to 3,000. Here we have a comparison of all three accounts and all the platforms that's available, the trading platforms, the server locations, micro lot trading on each and every account. We have the CFD trading that's there as well, Islamic account, trading styles allowed, execution types, mobile trading is available on MT5 and the IUX platform. And then we have demo account trading, and that's amazing. So instead of not knowing, if you haven't traded with IUX markets before, you can go to any account and you can try a demo for absolutely free. So link is in the description. Go check out IUX Markets and we'll see you in the next one.